Hello friends, it is a Costco shopping day. I only Costco shop right now when I have help. Today I am shopping with my dad. He is in town for a few days, here to help me. He is parking the car. We are racing a winter storm right now. It hadn't made it to Eagle River yet where we live, but it is just starting here at the Costco. So we are gonna do a quick shopping trip, get some things that we need, and then get back home before it gets too snowy.
Is that the size?
They come in two, yeah. We're gonna grab these. Looks like they just got a new shipment in because they had run out of those, so I'm gonna grab them. Been eyeing them for weeks. We're gonna start in the snack section. My son Bennett is the one doing lunches right now for me, and he said he needs more options. Applesauce $12.99, raisins $8.99. Some Cliff Bars for $17.59. They're on sale, so we're gonna grab these. Fig bars $15.59. Never seen these before. It says Black Thunder chocolate coated mini cookie bars for $11.39. I don't know what country that's from. And these are interesting. Cake with meat floss. I don't know what that means. Cake seasoned with chicken meat floss. Very interesting. $7.99 for 18. Fruit bars are on sale, so $9.89. I've never seen these ones before. Milk chocolate pecans with sea salt, $11.79. Ooh, they've got the Utah truffles. I like the mint ones, but I don't see the mint ones yet. These are just dark chocolate. Variety pack for $13.99. They've got black or silver.
These are silver.
Okay, this is what we came for, because at Lowe's when we went the other day, they were like $100. So we're gonna go for simple 48 to 96, and we just need 60, so that's perfect. Okay, I think we'll take silver. I think we should get one for him. I wonder if, I don't know if it'll go on sale or not, but okay, last time we were here, Mark was looking at this. Since I have Dad's help, we may grab one and hide it for Mark for Christmas. So Grandpa's gonna go get another cart. Or we could just get it at the end, Dad. Like when I'm kind of making my way there, you could come back and grab it. That way we don't have to cart it around the whole store. Finally warmed up enough to take my jacket off. Large tortillas, $10.49.
Well, I don't know. Maybe with the freezer, I don't know.
English muffins, $3.29. 9-grain bread, $8.59. Wheat bread, $6.99. These Honey Crisps are still so much less expensive. $5.99 for 4 pounds, or $1.49 a pound. We've been going through them very fast because they're super yummy. So I'm grabbing 2. Will you grab another one, Dad?
2.
Grabbing some mangoes for $9.99. The banana selection today is tiny. I think we're grabbing banana. They had one regular for $2.99, and then I gotta grab an organic for $3.49. Mini romaine, $5.99. Sweet potatoes, $11.99 for 6.5 pounds. $7.99 for 2 things of bagels. Danish puffs. Yummy. Cinnamon and sugar. These are dangerous, but we're gonna grab a bag because they're on sale, $6.69. These are always good for teacher gifts. $9.89. Grab a couple. Okay, Dad's grabbing 2 gallons of milk for $9.99. We need to stick that on the bottom. We're gonna get a special treat while Grandpa's here. Eggnog, $5.39. Pork sausage, $10.69. Ooh, that is like slippery. Okay, I always like to buy one of these when they're on sale for like a special dinner. $9.89. Can you grab those, Dad?
Yep.
Lasts us for 2 meals. $7.59. Mayonnaise is on sale for $7.29, so I'm gonna grab 2. And my pickle craving has been very strong lately. I've been eating a lot of pickles. So I'm gonna grab a couple new things in restock. I've eaten through my own jar a couple times now.
This is good stuff.
Yeah, we love that.
Yeah.
$12.59 for some ranch. We have one child in particular who loves ranch on potatoes. Speaking of ranch and potatoes, maybe I need to get him ranch potato shreds. Never seen those before. $13.99 for 12 cups. Yikes. $7.79 for hash browns. So if you're new around here, we live in Southcentral Alaska. We have 4 boys. I am pregnant right now. We were pregnant with twins. I unfortunately lost one recently, so things have been really rough, but I am on light duty, so that's why I'm shopping with help. I'm still okay to walk around the store, but I don't want to do a ton of lifting, loading into the car, bringing them up when we get home. So I'm really trying hard to just go shopping when I have help, which today I do. So I do like pushing the cart until it gets really heavy, and then I'm like, I'm done. I'm reaching that point right now. So Dad just went to go grab that little surprise for Mark, and then I think we're just about done for today. This is something new. I've always bought this Better Than Bouillon chicken. Oh, that one's vegetable. Beef, chicken. But they now have an Italian herb. I bet that's yummy. $8.99. Making soups and broths and things. I have to tell you about the evaporated milk I used the other day. I opened one. I went to look for some in my pantry, and it was from 2006. Which means that my sister, who used to live in Alaska, gave it to me when she moved overseas. And I was like, oh, that's been in there a long time. I didn't realize we had anything left from when they moved. So that was a little bit of a shock. That's before Mark and I even got married. So they moved right after we moved up. Okay, I did run out of taco seasoning, so I'm gonna grab a new thing of that. $7.69. Okay, I'm gonna go walk through the front section where they kind of have all the lotions and things. Sometimes they get fun things around Christmas time while I'm waiting to meet up with Dad. They've got these fun Disney Squashmallow bath bomb and body wash sets. Those are cute. $19.99. Got a couple different kinds. Ooh, a neon bathtub finger painting set. Oh, that makes me kind of like, seems messy. Some people like that kind of stuff. Makes me nervous. $20.49. Bath activity bucket. Brazilian body butters. I've seen lots about these kind of things. $19.79 for the 2. I see Grandpa. Oh, they have these now. We saw these in Denver. Beautiful soaps. Pack of 4. I think they're like $12.99. I'm not tall enough to see the price. These are fun. Little goat milk hand creams. $7.99. Those make good little gifts. Grandpa got the goods. You got the thing. There's our cart. basket too.
Okay. Welcome to the Costco.
Thank you, Donna. Thank you. Have a good day, Donna. Yeah. We switched carts, so this one wouldn't be so heavy. I'll let Dad do the loading. It's messy out, but it's not sticking too bad here yet. I talked to Grandma in Anchorage, about another 20 minutes. They already have 6 inches. We had nothing at home today. Okay, we're all loaded up. Well, we made it home. It still is not snowing at home, but where the snow that we have has gotten compacted is very slick. We're sitting right at 30 degrees Fahrenheit, so right at that freezing temperature. It looks like it could snow, but we haven't really gotten anything here yet. Hello, Miss Luna. How are you? Have a nice nap? Luna moved one chair closer while Grandpa brought up the groceries. Grandpa's the real MVP here, huh? Helping bringing everything in. I'm sure she'll come check out our stuff. Let's do our haul and I'll tell you the total. Start with some sweet potatoes, lettuce, Jimmy Dean sausage. I haven't been buying as many fresh vegetables just because I'm afraid we'll waste them. We've been doing a lot more frozen vegetables. So frozen green beans, tons of those lately. Frozen broccoli, frozen peas, and then salads. That just feels easier right now than buying the fresh stuff and then feeling bad if it goes bad. Because, you know, we're just doing our best around here right now. Always go through lots of fruit, so grab mangoes, 2 things of apples, and bananas. We do still have a few oranges left over in the fruit bowl, so I did not restock on oranges this time. I did restock on bread. We just seem to be going through a lot of bread between lunches and breakfasts. So wheat bread, 9 grain, English muffins, and some bagels. And then we are going to make some breakfast burritos this weekend when I have help from the kids and Mark with this, eggs, and then we do these hash browns. Grab some Go-Gurts. My kids love Go-Gurts. Raisins. Taco seasoning. We did end up getting 3 of these, but I just had Dad put some of them straight into the garage. These are also going to go in the garage. Ranch, that's just backup ranch. We just opened one recently. And mayonnaise. I've been eyeing these for so long and they're so beautiful. I can't wait to just have them up on the shelf here and use them to make soups and bread. Many people said that they're really good quality, and for like what, $44 for 2 of them? It just seems like such a good deal. You can spend $300 on a Dutch oven. So yeah, let's go over here. The milk ended up over here today. Luna's maybe gonna come and say hello to us. Stretching out. Did grab some eggnog. You gonna check out what we got on this table? This is all the packaged stuff. This will last us a long time, but we don't usually buy this much of that kind of stuff. But with Bennett making the lunches, just trying to make it a little more simple for him. He does still make sandwiches. He puts in carrots. He puts in other things that are not these packaged foods, but it's just nice to have certain things to add in there. We don't eat these things while we're at home. If they're at home, we don't eat out of things that are packaged. They save those for we save those for school lunches and things like that. So we did get some fruit bars, this mini pack, applesauce. These were just looked yummy, total impulse buy. And then these I'll put up to add to some teacher gifts. And then these will go in the garage and we'll pull them out for a special dinner. With 12 of them, we can have them twice. And they just kind of make things special. And these are Bundaberg non-alcoholic ginger beers from Australia. We love our Australian viewers. Okay. I think I left the receipt downstairs. I'll be right back. Just thought I'd give a quick update on the bidet seat that we've been using for a while now. We noticed right away that the seat is smaller than your traditional toilet seat when you put this bidet on, so that is a very different feeling. The warm seat is super nice. The bidet is great. The boys do love it. We find them sneaking in to use the heated toilet seat and the bidet, but it's been a fun addition. So early Christmas present for Mark. Really, it was just something that he has kind of wanted for a while. And so he and my dad installed it, if you saw that at the end of the last Costco shopping trip. But it's been pretty nice. A nice warm toilet seat in cold winter. Kind of nice. Okay, I don't want you to forget, we also grabbed this curtain rod, which is the reason we headed into town, because we wanted to finish this project before the snowstorm hit. And we also got that special ladder. Grandpa just went and put it out in his shed. My parents live with us in the summertime, so they have a shed here that they store all their stuff in. He was able to hide it in there, and then I can get it for Mark for Christmas. You know, when you find something for somebody that has everything they think they want, and then they tell you they want something, I think it's good just to get it if you can. So that will be a nice gift for him. Miss Luna here is looking for a way to be with me. So if you're new here, you may be like, where is all the protein? We are a hunting and fishing family here in Alaska, so we have freezers full of moose meat, deer meat. Actually, we don't have any deer meat right now, but we have moose meat and lots of halibut and salmon. And we eat at home most of the time. Really good, nutritious meals with that meat, but you don't see me buy a lot of meat, the occasional sausage and lunch meat and a Costco chicken, but we do rely on the things that we harvest here in Alaska to provide most of our protein. Now, we didn't get a moose this year. Unfortunately, Mark tried and he just was not successful, but we do have a friend that has a moose hunt that goes through the winter, and they've offered to share some meat with us if they get it, and Mark will go and help him hunt and butcher it. If it works out, definitely he'll help him pack it out. So hopefully we'll be getting some moose meat sometime here during the winter hunting season. All of the hunts that we could participate in are closed now, but there are some different hunts that go at different times of year. It just all depends on what tag you get. So with that thing that we just put out in the shed, our total today was $575.91. We got some stuff to stock up. We got some things to make lunches easier for the boys. I'm currently 23 weeks and 5 days pregnant. I had surgery about 2 weeks ago, and because of that surgery, they're afraid that I will go into early labor. So I have been taking it pretty easy compared to what I normally do. I can still walk around. I do take daily naps, which is what I'm headed to do after I get these groceries put away before the kids get home from school and the after school craziness begins. Thank you so much for coming shopping with us today. We are so grateful for each and every one of you that spends time with us. We love you, and we'll see you again real soon for more of This Alaska Life.